Hi everyone. Speaking English doesn't have to be complicated or scary. In fact, the best English is the English you use every single day, especially at home. Today we are learning some useful phrases that you will constantly use at home, whether you are talking to family, roommates, or even yourself. So are you ready? Let's go. Section 1. Morning Routines. Alright. Let's start with the morning. Picture this, it's 7 a.m. The sun is rising and you are stumbling into the kitchen like a zombie. Does that sound familiar? Let's learn how to speak English during your morning chaos. Phrase 1. Good morning. Did you sleep well? This is perfect for greeting family members. Let me show you the breakdown. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Notice the rhythm. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Try repeating that after me. Go on. Don't be shy. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Now, how would you respond to this? You would respond, yes, I had a good sleep. Thanks. How about you? Now, phrase number 2. I am still waking up, or I need my coffee first. Use this when someone talks to you before you are ready. It's honest, it's relatable, and it buys you time. I am still waking up. Give me a minute. See how casual and human that sounds, not robotic, just real. Now, phrase number 3. What's for breakfast? This is classic, and the answer could be we are having toast and eggs, or I made your favorite pancakes. It is simple, practical, and used everywhere. Now, phrase number 4. Hurry up. We are going to be late. Hurry up. We are going to be late. Not hurry up. Because yelling isn't teaching, right? Even at home, good English has good emotion. The response might be, just give me 5 more minutes. I promise. Now, section 2 is going to be household activities. Now, let's move into the living areas of your home. These are phrases you will hear and use constantly. Phrase number 5. Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? This is polite, it's warm, and it opens the door to asking for help. The response is usually, of course, what is it? Or, sure, what do you need? For example, can you do me a favor? Can you pass me the remote? Done. Now, phrase number 6. I'm going to tidy up the living room. Now, mostly like Americans and even some British people, they say tidy up. It means to organize and clean. You might also say I'll straighten up or I need a cleanup. I am going to tidy up a bit. It's getting messy. This is something you will say to yourself or to family all the time. Now, phrase number 7 is, could you please turn off the lights? Could you please turn off the lights? Now, notice I said could you instead of can you. This sounds more polite, more considerate. At home, being polite costs nothing and makes everything better. Now, here are some variations. Could you turn down the volume? Could you turn up the heat? It's cold in here. See the pattern. Turn plus direction, which is off on. or down, up. Now, phrase number 8. Do you need any help? Do you need any help? This is the language of kindness and family. It shows you care. And the response would be, oh, that's sweet of you. Yes, could you help me with the dishes? Now, phrase number 9. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. Can I get you anything? Water, tea, or coffee? This phrase is beautiful because it's warm and it says, you are safe here. You are welcome here. Relax. Every home needs this phrase. Now, phrase number 10. I'm going to take a shower or bath. I am going to take a shower. I will be back in 20 minutes. Or I'm having a bath. Don't disturb me. Notice the humor here. Parents say this all the time. Phrase number 11. Can you keep it down? I'm trying to study or sleep. Can you keep it down? I am trying to focus. Keep it down means make less noise. This is essential for homes with multiple people. Now, phrase number 12. What's for dinner? This is the question asked approximately 17 times a day in every household. What's for dinner? It smells amazing. See how we added a compliment? That's emotional intelligence combined with English. Now, section 3, which is emotional and relational phrases. Now, here's something powerful. Some of the most important English at home isn't just about logistics, it's about feelings and relationships. Let's talk about these phrases. Phrase number 13. How was your day? How was your day? Tell me everything. This opens conversation. It shows you care. The response could be, it was great, or honestly, it was exhausting. Either way, you are connecting. Phrase number 14. I love you, or I miss you. These aren't just romantic. You say I love you to parents, siblings, friends. At home, this is the foundation of everything. I'm going out for a bit. I love you. Or from family, see you later. I miss you. Phrase number 15. Don't worry, everything's going to be okay. Don't worry, everything's going to be okay. You are not alone in this. This is comfort. This is what we all need to hear sometimes. Use this when someone you love is stressed or sad or worried. And here's a bonus phrase. Let's have a family meeting. When you need to discuss something important, you say, hey everyone, let's have a family meeting. We need to talk about some house rules. This is mature, this is respectful, and this is effective. Here's what I want you to remember. English at home is not about being perfect. It's about being real, being kind, being connected. These 15 phrases, they are your foundation. Practice them. Say them out loud. Record yourself. Share them with your family and ask them to correct you if you make mistakes. You know what's beautiful about learning English at home? Every single day is a lesson. Every conversation is a practice. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments which phrase are you going to use first at home. See you in the next video. Bye bye.